Sometimes kids get left behind and need some extra help. Finding it is easy. The problem is anyone can be a tutor, even if unqualified without any safety checks. We think your children deserve better. Sophia App is disrupting an unregulated industry, taking away the stress from finding the perfect educational support your child needs. We have a 100% repeat booking rate with a huge response, and were finalists at the Education Investment Awards 2019. We handpick our tutors through a selective application and interview process, leaving you with only the best. The global tutoring industry is set to grow to 105.9 billion this year, with 3.3 million hours of tutoring in London alone. 55% of parents believe they would be disadvantaging their child by not getting extra help, and as a response to the COVID-19 crisis, the UK government has created a £1 billion catch-up fund to be spent on private tuition. With our on-demand mobile app, you can easily filter tutors by experience, subjects, and availability, or choose to join our live interactive virtual school or Sophia X courses led by our team of qualified experienced teachers, so parents can find the perfect match for their specific needs. It's a place where tutors can spend less time on the little stuff and more on what matters, delivering an excellent education to your children. Face-to-face, one-to-one, online tuition, virtual school or workshops, Sophia App keeps children learning. Sophia App.